Hello, my name is Phoebe Crisman. I'm a professor of architecture at the University of Virginia, where I teach courses in sustainability as well as architecture and urban design. The program really grew out of a course in the spring of 2009 that I co-taught with two colleagues also focused on sustainability here at UVA, Professor Paxton Marshall from the School of Engineering and Professor Mark White from the School of Commerce. And together we designed a course that was really meant to be a course open to students across the entire university, which would introduce sustainability concepts and methods to a very broad audience, and to serve as a foundation course or a kind of gateway course to other sustainability courses at UVA. An important part of the sustainability class was the idea that we weren't just learning about sustainability challenges globally, but we were also learning about how to take action and what solutions might be possible. So rather than offering a lot of examinations and abstract theoretical papers, the idea was to develop a semester-long project called the Think Global, Act Local project, which would allow students to work in collaborative teams to address a real-life sustainability challenge. So some examples of the projects that we've developed over time, most recently the solar table near the O Hill Dining Hall, which a student team in the Global Sustainability class developed as an idea. They pitched it through our Think Global, Act Local poster competition, which maybe I should tell you about, which happens every semester during either UVA Sustainability Day or Earth Week. And essentially the student teams from a class of 150 students will display their posters, which are a kind of synopsis of what the project that they've developed over the course of the semester. The part of the idea of the poster is to allow the students to be really concise about their idea, a kind of a pitch. Many of the students go on to seek funding for their projects, so I would say at this point probably about a third of the projects that students have developed over the years have been implemented, everything from composting in UVA dining, which started now many years ago but grew out of the class, to zero waste football, to the solar dining table, lots of things related to the Morgan Kitchen Garden as well as UVA community garden. One of the most exciting things for me about the Global Sustainability class has been the increasing student demand every semester to take the class. So for instance, now there's usually quite a large wait list to get in. It started out as a course which was offered once a year, and now it has been offered every semester, basically with enough space for 150 students every semester to take the class. So we've now educated more than 1,500 students through that class. It's also, as I mentioned earlier, spawned the Global Sustainability Minor and now the major in Global Environments and Sustainability. What's important to note is that each of those came from student demand. It wasn't, although I've been involved in making these things happen, it was students who were really pushing to have more opportunity in sustainability.